Good morning, folks. Let's say you have a list of addresses on sheet 1 or any kind of data for that matter. And what you'd like to do is select certain items on sheet 1 and move them over here to sheet 2, copy them to sheet 2, and remove them from sheet 1. So we've written an app script. It looks like this. Let me just go over it. We've added an on-open menu so that we can get this custom menu here. Here's our custom menu. And then the function, we want to move the checked rows. So we have sheet 1 and sheet 2. We've defined them. And we're getting the range of sheet 1, the source sheet. We're getting those values. And we're checking to see if sheet 2 is empty. So for instance, if sheet 2 were empty, what we're doing is pasting in our header row, just in case. So that's a check that's happening here. And then we are going to get these rows to move. We're going to take the data and we're skipping row 0 and we're jumping right to row 1. And what we're doing is looking and see if this row, column 1, which is this row 0, if that's true. So if this is checked, then we are going to collect that data and put it into an empty array. And then starting at the bottom, and the reason we're doing this, we're appending the rows to the destination sheet, but we're starting from the bottom to alleviate issues with rows maybe being deleted before they get pasted. So as we watch this run, you'll see they're put in reverse order, and then we want to resort that destination sheet. And so that sorting is calling a sort sheet function, and then we're also removing the empty rows in sheet 1 so that we are moving those empty rows up. So let's see what happens. We have a few of these items checked. Let me just pop over here to sheet 2 and show you. I'm going to move checked rows and watch what happens. So we get 24, 20, 14, and you know we're running the script to get those rows moved. That's running really slowly for some reason. And you'll notice as those were coming in reverse order, at the end, once they all came in, the sort sheet function resorted them into that order. And then we'll notice back here on sheet 1 that last name 1 and so forth, the ones that we had moved over are now gone from this list here. You can see where, we have 5, 6, so number 7's gone, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20's gone. So let's move a couple others and just watch this again. Let's see what happens if we add to our list that we want to move. And let me just come over here again, run the script. So it's going to add these in reverse order, and then it quickly sorts them. So now we have 1 through 28 that we've moved, and those ones are gone from sheet 1.